Loneliness is our body's social hunger, an evolutionary alarm meant to drive us back to the tribe. But in a hyper-connected world, the alarm keeps ringing and there's nowhere to go. We're living in the most connected era in history, but rates of loneliness are skyrocketing. We talk to AI more than our neighbors. We like more, but feel less. We are hyper-connected, yet emotionally starving. We have more friends than ever, but fewer confidantes. We can text across continents in a heartbeat, but actively avoid making eye contact with the person sitting across from us in a cafe. We're living through the most connected era in human history, and yet people feel more isolated than ever. That's not a coincidence. It's culture by design. The most advanced technology in the world still can't replace a human voice saying, "I'm here with you." The danger isn't that AI will replace human connection. It's that we'll forget how to do it ourselves.